I think psychology cuts through everywhere. आप marketing करो, finance करो, being a trader, I know how psychology plays. It's very important. Even in HR case, operations case, मेरे ख्याल से psychology plays a really important role. और ये अगर बच्चों को पढ़ाया जाता है, it means you can understand कि यहाँ का academics कितना ज़्यादा अच्छा है. Tell me something more about HR. How are the faculties in HR? How's the curriculum in HR? How's the peer group in HR? Hi guys, welcome to this MBA podcast. I have somebody with me who is very much talented and pretty young, by the way. 22 years old, and she's got a placement in Reliance Retail. She's from Vivekananda Business School. Wanted to do finance earlier, but then she turned out to do HR, by the way. So Sneha, welcome on board. यार, I would love to understand your entire journey के CMAT आपने करा, फिर उसके बाद आप विवेकानंद आए, आपका फाइनेंस का मन था, फिर आपने HR करा. Apparently ये सुनने में आ रहा है कि Vivekananda as a business school doing really good in HR, by the way, and you're going to tell me that why. Okay, number one, why did you choose Vivekananda Business School?
So
what was the point?
I had a mentor in Ulhasnagar where I studied for almost 10 years of my life. I did my schooling and everything from there.
Okay.
So she pushed me to go for an MBA and to go for Vivekananda Institute particularly.
Okay.
So I was having no plans of doing MBA, but I graduated in COVID year. So when I graduated, I wanted to go for further studies and
graduated matlab undergraduation, by the way.
Yeah.
Okay.
So I did my graduation from Ulhasnagar itself, and then I chose to go for my postgraduate studies, and I decided to join Vivekananda.
So it was basically word of mouth.
Yeah.
So somebody recommending a base school is a big thing, to be very honest. So how did your CMAT का journey happen? Like, did you study seriously या फिर ऐसे ही दिया था? कितना time मेहनत करा था?
I studied hardly for a month.
For a month? Okay. What was your percentile?
75.
So you studied for a month, got 75, then got into VBS, and then got a good package also now with a great brand also. So काफी blessed हो आप because. And again, I mean, anyway, so that is because of the college as a brand, by the way. Okay, cool. So let me understand, why Vivekananda is doing so good as far as HR is concerned.
As far as HR is concerned, Vivekananda School is providing many opportunities for students who are in HR. They are providing, apart from the studies and the course, they are providing us an international certification course from SHRM.
SHRM.
Yeah,
Okay.
and it is pretty huge. Getting certified from SHRM is pretty huge.
I think her batchmate Jagruti, if I'm not wrong, उसका भी interview मैंने करा था. She got 12 lakh का package. And another, again, you've got Sneha, which has got like around about 7 lakh ka package मेरे ख्याल से. Again, a big brand. So no doubt Vivekananda is also a very good choice for you अगर आपको HR में करना है. SHRM सर्टिफिकेट की वैल्यू काफ़ी ज़्यादा होती है. मैंने बहुत सुना है HR जो मार्केट में बहुत, right? So मतलब though I'm a finance guy, but SHRM is one of the fabulous certification out there for HR. Free में करवाते कि कुछ charges वगैरह?
No, they pay on our behalf. College pays on our behalf.
Nice, that's a good thing, by the way. And what was your fees that you paid?
7 lakhs.
पैसा वसूल मतलब 7 लाख का फीस दिया, एक हाथ दो भाई 7 लाख दिया, 7 लाख ले लिया, ठीक है, सही है. Tell me something more about HR. How are the faculties in HR? How's the curriculum in HR? How's the peer group in HR?
The faculty is pretty good. They always support us, help us, and guide us. I remember when I was going for an interview, I visited all the faculty of HR and took their guidances. What should I do? How should I prepare? And they guided me pretty well. They sent me some papers to read, even though it was beyond after some time, but they didn't say no to help me.
So this one point, I mean, if you have followed my videos, na guys, हर एक बच्चे ने ये कहा है विवेकानंद के बारे में कि faculties will help you a lot. They'll go extra mile, as far as helping you. So मेरे ख्याल से वो faculty and student connect is really good.
Really good, yeah.
Cool. So is there anything else apart from this HR certifications and all that जो आपको पढ़ाया जाता है यहाँ पे कुछ ऐसा subject?
Actually, yeah, there's one course. This course is not available pan India anywhere. So this course is available only at Vivekananda.
अच्छा, so this course, what's the name of the course?
Organization Psychology.
Organization Psychology is not available in any other B school.
No.
That's a very tall claim, by the way.
Yeah, actually it is not available.
It's not available. So how does that help you to pursue HR?
it actually helps us to understand the psychology which is applied at the organizations. How are we supposed to understand and how are we supposed to react if any situation arises, and what might be the possibilities and how should we get out from those situations. As an HR, we have to be a connect between the employees and the managers. So how are we supposed to react in such situations?
Cool.
Because of the background of psychology, this course is not
Yes,
provided
yes, yes.
anywhere. But we have our HOD who takes this subject and he helps us.
I think
with a lot of
psychology
things.
cuts through everywhere. आप marketing करो, finance करो, being a trader, I know how psychology plays. It's very important. Even in HR case, operations case, मेरे ख्याल से psychology plays a really important role. और ये अगर बच्चों को पढ़ाया जाता है, it means you can understand कि यहाँ का academics कितना ज़्यादा अच्छा है. Academics से और एक चीज़, infra is also good. We are currently in the library. आप अगर वो पीछे देखोगे मेरे, these are the meeting rooms. जैसे हमारे टाइम पे अहमदाबाद में होता था syndication room. काफ़ी बड़े होते थे, but they have the facility by the way. Nice. So, when you applied for CMAT and, you wanted to do an MBA, right? Have you ever thought that, I would love to have, let's say, itne amount ka package or, these kind of a profile? Was it pre-decided or it just happened to you?
Actually, it was pre-decided that I want to cover up the fees that I have paid.
हाँ, ये
That
था.
is the important thing. If we are paying 7 lakhs, so we want at least minimum package should be 7 lakhs.
Okay, so that was your target. And again, your percentile will never, decide or define तुम कौन से company में जाके job करने वाले हो. So there are students I have seen, in Vivekananda, or for that college, for that matter, any other college, they got 75 percentile, 80 percentile, and they have eventually got around about 12-15 lakh का package also. I mean, her package is also really good. अगर हम HR domain में बात करेंगे, because 7-8 lakhs is a really good amount as far as HR is concerned. So my last question to you, Sneha. Did VBS as a B school change you in any perspective?
Actually, it changed me in a lot of perspectives.
Okay.
Before joining this post-graduation course, when I was pursuing my graduation, I did BMS in finance. So
Oh, okay.
I had no idea that I will go for a job in coming near future. And I was not a leader back then. But after joining this college, my leadership qualities improved a lot, my communication skills improved a lot, and I really became a good candidate. I really think that when I applied for the interview of Reliance, so it actually helped me how to crack those interviews. That idea I did not had before.
So you became a little bit more serious towards your career and life and as such. So it changed you holistically completely. I think that's a good impact because lot of मैं बहुत सारे बच्चे देखता हूँ जो बिगड़ जाते हैं भी स्कूल में जाके. But you turned out to be a good sort of a person. That's nice. How's your overall experience for from last 2 years? And a lot of students would love to join VBS or they're in a dilemma, VBS versus XYZ B school. कुछ बताना चाहोगे उनको कि VBS आना चाहिए नहीं आना चाहिए?
You should definitely come to VBS. It is providing a very good opportunities to every student, not just for one specialization or another, but every specialization is pretty good here.
Sneha, we were talking about that VBS is little underrated. A lot of people do not know. Genuinely, they are doing so many good things inside. कुछ कहना चाहोगे उसके ऊपर?
No, actually, sorry.
It's okay.
Actually, I would like to say that people should not think that ये college अच्छा नहीं है, ये ऐसा है. They should actually connect with the students who have experienced
True.
this, and they before joining any college, they should actually have a word with the students who are actually doing a course there, and उनके according उनको फिर experience पता चल जाएगा तो they can go ahead.
True.
Yeah.
True. Perfect. Sneha, I wish you all the very best. You nailed it like a pro. You're pretty young and you got into the Reliance as a brand. ये काफ़ी आगे लेके जाएगा आपको. The package is good. You got पूरा पैसा वसूल. And as a candidate, you're superb. So thank you so very much for giving some time, and we wish you all the very best.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you guys for watching this. For more videos, hit like button and do subscribe.